Hello, good afternoon, and you're watching Markets at Noon on Etnow with me, Vinny Motiwal, along with me, Satya Sharma as well. A very good afternoon to you as well, and Monday surely coming in for us, but a flip-floppy name is what
had it not been for Reliance Industries' 4.5% move, the market actually could have been much more deeper in the red. So two areas coming out of the blue and actually surprising the market. One is the global metal stocks. In fact, the global impacting metal stocks, because this one actually looks at global cues for all kinds of reaction. And metal last 2-3 days have started doing very well, and so have Reliance Industries. We'll take the discussion in markets forward. Some tech check coming in with Aditya Arora. Aditya, thanks for joining us. First of all, the big move on Reliance, have we missed it out? Or it's just breaking out? Any pullback of 40-50 points should be used to get in back? Because, the giant is just waking up.
Very good noon, Ajay sir. So, I think Reliance is the most heaviest weighted counter in Nifty, and it has been a thing that whenever market needs a strong support, when every other counter is lacking strength, then Reliance comes back into action. So that's what has happened today when Reliance is plus 3 to 4%. And it's actually forming very bullish patterns. We haven't missed anything, and it's just coming out of a consolidation. So 2730, 2750 is actually the resistance zone. If that is taken out, then probably Reliance is headed towards 2850 and 3000 till Diwali or till end of the year. And you rightly pointed out that other sectors like metals are doing well. So it's very important to note that there is always a bull market. Within a bull market, certain stocks and sectors will always do well. So we have a lot of steam left on very stock-specific ideas.
Right, Aditya. This is Vinny joining in the conversation as well. Very good afternoon. And Aditya, I want to also ask on the metal space. That is the one that is buzzing in trade today as well. And when you look at it, YTD, yes, metals were down. But today just itself, almost more than 1% is what the Nifty metal is trading with. Month to date, we've seen that move coming in. What is your view on the metals? Anything specifically that you like in the metal space?
Good noon, Vinny. I think metal index as such is again forming bullish patterns. And if we look at the global markets and look at other asset classes like dollar index, which corrected from 103 to almost 102 in last 2 days. So that is adding positive strength to the metal counters. And this is just a beginning because they are almost forming a V-shaped reversal or W-shaped reversal on the chart patterns, and this could be just start of a fresh bull market. If you look at the market leader like JSW Steel, it's almost close to 52-week highs, and Tata Steel is doing well. So all the big counters are doing well, and the global metal counters are also doing quite well. So that's actually adding confidence. And there's a long way to go, and metal index could actually go to 7,000 levels. Currently, it's trading at 6350.
Okay, so out of the beaten down metal counters, Aditya, let's do some tech check. How some of the steel ones looking at, like JSPL, JSW, and SAIL?
JSPL is looking quite good. I had recommended the stock even prior to this show, and since then it has run up almost 10%. Still, the stock looks quite good, and there could be upside of 10 to 20% on Jindal Steel. SAIL is like that lower quality stock, not the higher. Very good quality one, but high beta, low quality counter, which actually do well when a bull market starts in a particular sector. So that has also upside of almost 20 to 30%.
Aditya, also just let's talk about some other names, in terms of FMCG side, what's your view in terms of something like a Marico, that was not performing in the past in terms of the rally that we saw coming in with the FMCG players. For Marico, do you think it's now that something that you would look at something like that in FMCG?
So Marico is trading around its standard deviation level, which is 520, 525. So it's exactly the important support for Marico. If it sustains above 525 and 5 level and forms a base over here, then again it can shoot up till almost 540 to 560 kind of level. So I would consider this stock as neutral to slightly bullish counter.
Charts of Titan with you. Because Titan is witnessing a big shorting right now on high valuation commentary coming in one of the big brokerages. Almost 80, 90 times 1 year forward. And probably that is the reason why some of the other stocks in the space were doing well. Kalyan crossed 170. Senco Gold saw very good response on the IPO side. So somewhere people were kind of cagey on the valuations of Titan. But what are the charts saying? Look at the 3.5% cut coming in on Titan. How lower can it go in your view?
I think you have done a great job by pointing out towards Titan, because I'm bullish on most of the counters. This is the only counter where I see bearish patterns. So absolutely the kind of evening star pattern or reversal doji it has formed at the top, which is quite bearish for the counter. So definitely this could be very strong hurdle for the counter in the short term and the medium term, and it will take a lot of efforts to cross 3200, 3220, which is the important pivot resistance level. If somebody is active in derivatives, and call writing can also be done in this counter for the strikes like 3200, 3150 with a defined stop loss.
Right, Aditya. And just lastly, before we let you go, if you could tell us any of your top picks that you're looking at right now.
So my top picks are from the metal space only. I think this is one of the sectors which one should capitalize on, because I think till Diwali, auto sector, power and metal can do really well. So my pick is Hindalco right now, which can be bought at 430. 410 should be the stop loss. 470 to 500 should be the target. Second one, JSW Steel, the market leader in steel space, could be bought at 806. 770 should be the stop loss, and 860 to 895 should be the target.
Okay, Aditya, thank you so much for joining in with us this afternoon. But